it's time for one of the most cherished traditions on this show, where they take one half of one costume, mash it up with half of another costume to create a weird-ass masterpiece. How about that? How about that? And you guys in the audience are going to be a part of this, so heads up. Because I want you guys to guess the name of each costume as it comes out, okay? Can you do that? Mean Mr. Mustard. For instance, if we combine C-3PO and Oprah, what would you get? Anything?
C-3PO.
Oh! There it is. Check out the big brains on Mr. Sriracha. Perfect. So here it is, our 12th annual half and half Halloween costume pageant. Oh, there's a doorbell now. Let's see who's coming through the doorbell. What do we got? Get in there, Guillermo. Ah, all right. Any guesses? Anyone? Anything? What'd you got? Oh, let's see. Who are you right there?
Handmaid's SNAIL.
You got it! Look at you! He got it right here, guy up top. Look at that. Nice. We would have also accepted Little Red Riding Slug, but you know. But you got it. Oh, we got another one coming in. Come on, chair. Let's see who's here. Okay. Anybody? Anybody? Hold on. What's that? Hold on, we over here. Hold on. Benjamin Franklin. Tell us who you are right now.
Benjamin Franklin.
Something like that is the answer. That's Benjamin Franklin right there. That looks comfortable. Jeez Louise. The writers here were high as a kite when they came up with that one. Oh, who's next? What do we got? Oh, goodness gracious. Whoa, man. Anybody? Any ideas? Anything? What? Oh, that's close. You're freaking me out a little bit here. Who are you?
MARGE GIMPSON.
MARGE GIMPSON! MARGE GIMPSON! Did you get that one over there? You got it, didn't you? You got it. All right. Her safe word is do. Oh, doorbell. Here we go. We got another one coming through. What do we got? Here it comes. Here it comes. Hold on. What do we got? Barney who? Who are you?
Barney Sanders!
Oh! We got another one. Barney Sanders right there. Barney Sanders. I don't know if you know this, but Bernie was actually alive when actual dinosaurs roamed the earth. So that's not too... Oh, we got another one coming through. Here it comes. Here they come. Okay. Look out. There's no eye holes in that one. He can't see where he's going. Okay. What do you got? All right. Who are you, my man? Let's hear it.
I pity the fool who doesn't phone home. I'm Mr. E.T.
Oh, Mr. E.T. That's who it is. That's Mr. E.T. Look at him. He shrunk a lot since Rocky III. Look at that guy. What happened? Oh, got another one coming through. What do we got? Ooh. Tasty. Anybody? Anybody? What do you got? Anyone? Anyone? Who are you?
I am EGGO Batman.
EGGO Batman! Okay. Wow. Both of his parents were killed by a toaster oven. Okay, wait, we got another one. Hold on, it's coming through. Here it comes. Let's see. Wait a second. Wait a second. You look a lot like America's favorite game show co-host, Vanna White.
That's because I am America's favorite game show host, Vanna White.
I was going to say Halloween City's really stepping it up over there. Any guesses? Anybody got anything? What? Okay. Anyway, Vanna, tell us who you are, Vanna.
I'm Vanna White Walker.
Vanna White Walker, long may you reign. And say hello to Pat from the north for us. Thanks to all of our models, especially Vanna White. Let's hear it for Vanna White. That's right. And thank you very much to the amazing Jimmy Kimmel Live Wardrobe Department.
Hi, I'm Jimmy Kimmel. If you like that, click the subscribe button below, and good things will happen forever.